welcome to another TeckWrapCraft video. My name is Arlene from This Is Our House, and today we are going to be making another craft. Stay tuned. Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to be making some stickers, and for that we are going to need our TeckWrapCraft laminate sheets. We are going to need also their holo stickers, and you will need a squeegee, scissors, and of course a printer. I'm going to be using mine, which is an inkjet printer, an HP. That's the one that we have at home, so that's what we're going to use. First, we are going to Cricut Design Space and we are going to upload the images. I have some stickers on my desktop. Those are the ones I am going to use. So you want to select upload, and then you can drag your file, or you can search for the file on your computer. If this is your first time making stickers on Cricut, this is a very important step. You have to offset. You have to go to the offset setting and offset each one of the images you have there. Once you have offset them, you have to flatten each one of the images. Once you have that done, you can hit make it, and we are going to send that image to the printer. For the stickers, as I said before, you don't need a specific printer. You can use your inkjet printer. I am going to be using my HP inkjet printer, and I am going to put that paper upside down because that's the way he likes it. And then I am going to hit print. Once they're printed, they look like this. I love it. Now we are going to cut it. To cut my stickers, I use magnetic sheet 0.6. That's what works for me. So I am going to now laminate these stickers, and once I have them laminated, I am going to put them on the standard grid mat so my Cricut maker can cut them. I am going to use the squeegee to help me stick the laminate sheet on the stickers. To do that, I usually like to leave maybe 1/4 of an inch outside the actual sheet. So that way it will help me to adhere that sheet on the table, and I can keep moving forward, sticking the rest of the laminate sheet on the sticker. Once we have that, we can go to our machine to cut it. If it's either a Cameo or a Cricut maker or whatever you have, we can go now and stick that sheet on the standard grid mat and cut it. This is how they look, and I love them. I am going to stick them on a tumbler that I have. I've bought this tumbler, I think on Amazon, or I don't remember where I bought it, but I had it for quite some time now, and I said, you know what, I think I can do something for it. So we are going to stick them, and well, friends, we are getting close to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Remember, if you liked it, you can give us a thumbs up. You can share this video, and you can save it for future references. And if you have any question, you can type that question on the comment below. Remember that you can find anything that you saw in this video, from the laminate sheet, the holo stickers, the squeegee, everything. You can find it on TeckWrapCraft.com. This was Arlene. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching.